After participating in a research case study with over 200 doctors, I found myself in Boston at Harvard Medical School with some of the best longevity geriatric doctors. And together we came up with a golden ticket, much like a first aid kit, which every household in America must have for safety and security in aging. And one of the first things in the golden ticket, as we take a sneak peek into your box, is compression socks. Compression socks are something that every household needs as we're aging. Our heart does not as function as it once did, and fluids can build up in our lower extremities. We want to make sure we are ahead of the game and we are protected and safe as we age. And that's what the accountability checklist, along with the golden ticket, provides, is peace of mind and security.